Hi, my name is Ahmad Fazil Ismail from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Polytechnic Seberang-Perai. Today I'm going to take you to see all the machine that used in DJJ5032 Mechanical Workshop 4. This is a mechanical conventional machine workshop. Hi, this is surface grinding. Surface have no vice, but it uses magnet to hold the workpiece here, and it will grind the surface with high accuracy. And some surface grinding use computer numerical control. This is the wheel. This is the wheel, and this is where the coolant comes from. The light, the switches, and it's very handy to use. This is vertical milling machine. Vertical milling machine is used to mill workpiece, and this machine, this is where we set up the speed of the end mill, and this is the analog button where you start the machine. This only can be used as a vertical milling, and if we attach index head, we can divide a circular workpiece into predetermined division, such as hexagon or octagon. Hi, this is drilling machine. This is pillar drilling machine. This machine is used to drill a hole, such like this. By placing the work in here, then put the drill in here, then you can drill a hole. This is very useful machine, but it is not very precise. So you have to determine where to drill the hole first, then use this machine. Thank you very much.